Welcome to Microsoft Certified AI Transformation Leader. As a candidate for this Microsoft certification, you should understand how to recognize opportunities for AI transformation, identify the right AI tools and resources, plan for AI adoption, optimize business processes, and drive innovation by using Microsoft 365 Copilot and Azure AI services. This certification is designed for business decision makers at all levels who are responsible for guiding transformation and innovation within their teams or organizations. In this role, you are expected to demonstrate AI fluency, strategic vision, and the ability to lead AI adoption across teams and functions, but are not expected to write any code. Let's look into the chapters and modules for the certification. As a candidate for this certification, you should be able to evaluate AI opportunities, champion responsible AI practices, and align AI investments with business goals. You need experience leading adoption or change management in a business context. You must also be familiar with Microsoft 365 services, Azure AI services, and general AI capabilities. Let's explore the topics need to study for the certification. Chapter 1. Identify the business value of generative AI solutions, 35 to 40%. 2 modules. Module 1. Identify the foundational concepts of generative AI. Module 2. Identify benefits and capabilities of generative AI solutions. Chapter 2. Identify benefits, capabilities, and opportunities for Microsoft's AI apps and services, 35 to 40%. Module 1. Identify benefits and capabilities of Microsoft 365 Copilot and Microsoft Copilot. Module 2. Identify benefits and capabilities of Azure AI services. Chapter 3. Identify an implementation and adoption strategy for Microsoft's AI apps and services, 20 to 25%. Align an AI strategy with Microsoft responsible AI policies, plan for AI adoption across the organization. Let's jump into Chapter 1, explore the business value of generative AI solutions. What is generative AI? AI is a driving force behind business transformation. At its core, AI refers to software systems that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions or predictions that once required human intelligence. Today, AI powers everything from virtual assistants and chatbots to advanced analytics and automation tools. For business leaders, understanding AI means recognizing its potential to solve real-world problems, boost productivity, and unlock new opportunities. Modern AI solutions are built on machine learning models that learn from vast amounts of data. These models enable applications to interpret information, reason over complex scenarios, and generate insights that help organizations stay ahead. Key differences from traditional AI builds custom models for specific predictions. Generative AI uses pre-trained models, often trained on internet-scale data, to generate content in response to user prompts. Generative AI applications rely on natural language inputs and produce variable outputs depending on the prompt and context. Generative AI enables conversational apps, intelligent agents, and automation solutions that were unimaginable just a few years ago. How does generative AI work? Generative AI models learn by analyzing huge volumes of data, a process called machine learning. During training, the model discovers patterns and relationships. Once trained, it can generate new content that reflects what it has learned. A major innovation behind generative AI is the transformer architecture. Transformer-based models offer several advantages. Contextual understanding. They process entire documents or conversations, maintaining context for more accurate summaries and insights. Scalability and efficiency. Transformers handle data in parallel, making them fast and suitable for enterprise workloads. Versatility. They work across domains, text, images, code, making them a flexible foundation for business innovation. Explore Microsoft Generative AI Solutions. Microsoft offers a comprehensive portfolio of generative AI solutions designed to address a wide range of business challenges, from automating routine tasks to unlocking new creative possibilities. These solutions integrate seamlessly into existing workflows, empowering teams to work smarter and deliver greater value. The following table provides an overview of Microsoft Generative AI Solutions. Microsoft Generative AI Solutions Overview, Solution: Microsoft Copilot. Description: embedded in Microsoft 365 apps to assist with writing, summarizing, and analyzing data. Examples: use cases, drafting emails, creating presentations, summarizing Teams meetings. Solution: Azure AI. Description includes Azure OpenAI Service, Azure Machine Learning, and cognitive services for custom solutions. Examples: use cases, chatbots, document automation, personalized experiences. Solution: GitHub Copilot. Description: helps developers write code faster with AI-powered suggestions. Examples: use cases, creating apps, automating workflows, generating dashboards. Solution: Dynamics 365 Copilot. Description: enhances CRM and ERP workflows with AI-driven insights. Examples: use cases, sales forecasting, customer service automation. Solution: Power Platform Copilot. Description: brings AI assistance to app building, workflow automation, and data visualization. Examples: use cases, creating apps, automating workflows, generating dashboards. Understand agents in Microsoft Generative AI Solutions. Agents are intelligent, task-oriented AI entities that can autonomously perform actions, interact with users, and orchestrate workflows across systems. Microsoft offers both pre-built agents integrated into products like Copilot and customized agents built and deployed using Azure AI and Copilot Studio. Agents in Microsoft Copilot agents are pre-built, ready-to-use AI assistants embedded in Microsoft apps, designed to automate common business tasks and deliver immediate value. They automate routine tasks, assist with writing and summarizing, and interact with users in natural language. Copilot agents are designed for rapid deployment and immediate productivity gains, requiring minimal setup. Examples include drafting emails in Outlook, summarizing meetings in Teams, automating case management in Dynamics 365. Agents in Azure AI. Azure AI agents are customizable, flexible, enterprise-grade agents built on Azure, tailored to your organization's data, processes, and strategic goals. Organizations can create agents tailored to their unique business processes, data sources, and compliance needs. Azure AI agents can power advanced chatbots, automate document processing, orchestrate complex workflows, and integrate with proprietary systems. Examples: custom support bots for multilingual customer service, agents for regulatory compliance, workflow orchestration across enterprise systems. Key business value scenarios are categorized into the following topics: generate content for marketing campaigns, personalize customer support, streamline document summarization and compliance, accelerate product design and innovation, personalize learning and training, automate report generation. Map business needs to recommended solution types. The following table maps some common business needs to recommended solutions. Business need recommended solution type: customer support, automation Copilot, Azure OpenAI Service Marketing Content Generation Copilot, Azure OpenAI Service Data Summarization Copilot, Azure AI Document Intelligence Code Generation GitHub Copilot Visual Content Creation, Azure AI Diffusion Models, Multimodal Interaction Copilot, Azure AI Multimodal Models. Model type: common use. Case: large language models, LMs, text generation, document summarization, and customer support chatbots. Diffusion models: high quality visual content creation, such as generating images from text prompts for marketing. Code generation models: automating software development tasks, such as writing code snippets or refactoring legacy code. Multimodal models: tasks requiring simultaneous processing of multiple data types, like text to image or video to text conversion. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, creating realistic visual artifacts and synthetic data for training other models. Variational autoencoders, VAEs, data cleaning, anomaly detection, and generating variations of original input data. To select the right generative AI model for your business, follow these steps. Define your business objectives. Start by identifying what you want to achieve, such as automating support or generating content. Match model capabilities to your use case. Align your specific business needs, e.g., code generation, with the recommended model type, e.g., code models. Choose between pre-built and custom models. Decide if you need the fast deployment of a pre-built model or the tailored performance of a custom one. Evaluate key selection criteria. Consider factors like performance, cost, data privacy, integration, scalability, and governance. Use a structured evaluation process. Define expected outcomes, shortlist models, evaluate them using benchmarks, and refine them based on real-world performance. Cost drivers in Microsoft 365. Copilot, Microsoft 365 Copilot, integrates generative AI into familiar productivity apps like Word, Excel, and Outlook. Its cost model is designed for simplicity and predictability. Copilot delivers immediate productivity gains with predictable costs, making it ideal for organizations seeking quick return on investment, ROI, without managing complex AI infrastructure. Subscription, Microsoft Copilot is offered as an add-on to Microsoft 365 licenses, providing predictable monthly or annual costs rather than token-based billing. Inference usage. Each inference consumes compute resources, but costs are bundled into the subscription. Microsoft optimizes inference with small, efficient models for productivity tasks. Data integration. Copilot uses organizational data securely through Microsoft Graph, reducing the need for extensive data preparation. Infrastructure. AI infrastructure is managed by Microsoft within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, eliminating direct expenses for compute and storage. Talent and expertise. Copilot reduces the barrier to entry. Businesses can adopt AI without hiring specialized teams, reducing indirect costs. Cost drivers in Azure AI. Azure AI provides a flexible platform for building, deploying, and scaling custom generative AI solutions. Its cost model reflects the complexity and control it offers. Azure AI offers scalability and customization for enterprises seeking competitive differentiation, but requires careful cost management to maximize ROI. Model training. Training or fine-tuning large models requires significant compute resources, often using GPUs or specialized hardware. Inference usage. Costs for inference depend on model size and duration. More sophisticated and complex prompts increase costs. Data preparation. Structured, clean data is essential for successful solutions. Techniques like retrieval augmented generation (RAG) can reduce preparation costs. Infrastructure. Customers manage cloud resources, including compute, storage, and networking, which adds to total cost. Talent and expertise. Deploying custom generative AI solutions requires specialized teams, increasing indirect costs. Comparison between Microsoft 365 Copilot and Azure AI costs. Purpose and use. Microsoft 365 Copilot embeds AI into productivity apps for quick ROI and minimal setup. Azure AI enables custom generative AI solutions with full control over models and infrastructure. Cost model. Copilot, subscription-based with predictable pricing. Azure AI, pay-as-you-go with token-based billing tied to usage, model training, and inference. Copilot uses pre-trained models. Inference costs are bundled. Azure AI. Optional model training incurs high compute costs. Inference costs scale with prompt complexity. Data and infrastructure. Copilot. Minimal data prep, uses existing organizational data. Infrastructure fully managed by Microsoft. Azure AI requires structured data. Customer manages cloud resources. Talent and expertise. Copilot, low barrier to entry, accessible to business users. Azure AI requires technical teams for deployment and optimization. Token billing explained. Azure AI. Token usage directly affects cost. Larger prompts mean higher expenses. Copilot. Tokens are used internally but not billed to customers. Pricing remains subscription-based. Organizations can combine Microsoft 365 Copilot for internal productivity with Azure AI for custom solutions like chatbots and analytics. Azure AI also powers data pipelines and integrates with Copilot Studio. Understanding cost drivers is key to maximizing generative AI investments. Generative AI offers powerful benefits but introduces challenges like fabricated responses, inconsistent reliability, bias, and issues with privacy, energy use, and explainability. These risks can undermine trust, disrupt workflows, and trigger ethical or regulatory concerns. However, each challenge presents an opportunity. Organizations can invest in fact-checking, fine-tuning, bias mitigation, and sustainable, transparent AI practices. Doing so enhances accuracy, consistency, and fairness, building trust and competitive advantage. For example, a retail company improved product descriptions by adding a fact-checking layer, turning a flaw into a new revenue stream. Addressing AI challenges strategically can unlock innovation and long-term value. Watch next video for Module 2, Build Effective Gen AI Solution in your organization.